Hey people, so it is morning and it is a Saturday morning, and I'm here at this park that is in Maritpalli, and it's so nice to observe my little doggy eat grass, because it's like as if animals instinctively know what is good for them. So he doesn't get enough roughage in his diet, I guess. So I mean, vegetables, we need to actually feed even dogs vegetables, which they don't eat, but still we should try. So it's just so nice to see this little dog. It is such that I don't feel like walking about and all. I feel like just sitting in one place, and it's nice to have this little pet with me. I mean, like so yeah, this is how it is. Beautiful, nice animal. It's very peaceful here. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.